Hello guys, I am Tara, the author of the Dining on a Dime cookbook where you can eat better, spend less. We have real food for real families. Today I am showing you one chicken breast. Now, this is a pound, and this is going to feed my entire family for 4 people for an entire meal. So what I do is I either cut it up in strips or I cut it up in little pieces, and then I will feed my family. But let me show you what size is one serving. Okay, so right there, this is one serving of chicken right here. See? Fits about in the size, in the palm of my hand, right there, guys. No, that's not blood, it's chili powder. Okay, but you can see right there, that's 4 ounces. That is on the high end of one serving of chicken. I wanted to show you guys that because this one serving of, or this one chicken breast right here is 20 ounces. So that is 5 big servings of protein. So really this could fit, 6 people could eat this easily. Let's see. This right here is about 3 ounces right there. So just so you guys know on serving sizes, that's a proper serving size. Please like, subscribe, and share. Visit us at livingonadime.com. Give us a big thumbs up, and we will see you guys next time.